Fielder's Choice Part 3, here we go. So last video we got the up and down working, and today we need that side to side working. And there's ordinarily just a screw that sits in between the two poles that prevents the top half from rotating. So if we remove that, we should be able to build a system that rotates around that pole. So I 3D printed a big gear from a rotary table, and I want to drive it using a stepper motor with another gear on it. So I threw a hole in the top of the rotary gear, and then drilled some holes in a mounting plate, which I'm going to use to screw into the pole itself and then also attach to the rotary gear. And all assembled, it looks like this, and you can see it slots right over the top of the pole, and then all I have to do is drive those two screws on the side into the pole, which is pretty thin metal, so honestly, it'll screw right in. Then I had to do basically the exact same thing to the bottom of the rotary table, and this is the side that houses the motor. And you can see the motor in there as well as some bearings to help it turn, and then two more set screws on this chunk. And so getting it hooked up was pretty easy, and I had a bunch of electronics from when I was originally playing around with this rotary table, so I reused those. And it was pretty satisfying to see this thing turn. There's definitely some alignment issues and some things that are gonna cause reliability issues over time, but I was pretty happy with this.